What if I told you that AI could write and perform a brand new song in less than a minute? This is going to blow you away. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it right now on this episode of AI for Everyone. Welcome to AI for Everyone. I'm Joel Comm, and this is the show that makes AI easy, useful, and fun. And we are going to have a lot of fun today. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell. And of course, if you're listening via Apple Podcasts or Spotify, please do like and review the show. I appreciate it. Of course, if you haven't grabbed my 2 free resources yet, the Beginner's AI Starter Kit and the top 10 things you can do with AI, you can grab that right now at aishow.io/free. So let's go ahead and get started with this today. I think you're going to be really excited at what you discover with the tool I'm going to introduce you to. It's called Suno, and it's an AI that can generate full songs with lyrics, vocals, music just from a simple text prompt. The website is suno.com, suno.com, or you can also go and download the app for your iPhone or your Android device. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sign in and create a free account. In this case, I'm going to log in with my Facebook account. Whether you use your email, your Apple account, your Facebook account, or any of the other options doesn't really matter. Once you're in, you'll have your free account. And on the left side of the screen, you'll see right here that you automatically have 50 credits. Now, those credits refresh every day, which means unless you're going to create a lot of music, you never need to upgrade to the premium plan. Once we're logged in, we're going to go over to where it says Create, click that, and now we can go ahead and do a simple song. You know, if you followed along with the previous episode, you'll know that I had a childhood puppet called Foopy Doo. Foopy Doo is a kangaroo that I got when I was probably about 10 years old from a local bank. We're going to give it a simple prompt. Write me a song about my childhood hand puppet, Foopy Doo. She was my favorite toy, and I still cherish her to this day. Now, we're not going to give her any additional information at this point, but I think perhaps we can pick a style. I think maybe a country style for this would be best. Once we've got that prompt written there, we just click Create. As you can see, it's working right now on this AI song, and we are about 15 seconds in right now, and the song is done. Now I have no idea what to expect here, so I'm just going to go ahead and play this. Here we go.
In a box beneath my bed, she still waits, with yarn for hair and a smile that never fades. Foopy Doo, my childhood friend, stitched together where love won't end. Foopy Doo, you held my fears, wiped my tears through the tender years. Soft and simple, warm but true, my heart still beats for you, Foopy Doo.
How fun is that? Now it actually gives you 2 variations on every song it writes. So let's just listen here for a brief moment and see what it did with the other variation. You can also see over here that it provides the lyrics to the song that it's just written.
In a box beneath my bed, she still waits, with yarn for hair and a smile that never fades. Foopy Doo, my childhood friend, stitched together where love won't end. Foopy Doo, you held my fears, wiped my tears through the tender years. Soft and simple, warm but true, my heart still beats for you, Foopy Doo.
And this song will go on for 4 minutes. AI created this in about 15 seconds. Now, let's say we want to customize a song a little bit more, maybe for your child, your grandchild, about your pet, or about a friend, or any event in your life. This is where we can combine something like ChatGPT or Grok and Suno to create something really spectacular. I'm going to create a new chat in ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask the AI to help me write song lyrics. Okay, so what I've done here is I've typed a very simple prompt. Write lyrics to a song about a child named Roland. He's a smart 10-year-old boy who loves to play with his parents, his friends, and his dog, Rover. Rover and Roland go on great adventures in the woods, discovering nature and playing games. Roland is very happy and loves his life. So we're just going to hit enter on this, and we're going to have ChatGPT come up with a set of lyrics about a cheerful, adventurous song about Roland and his dog Rover. And the song is called Roland and Rover. I just love that you can make up lyrics on the fly. And the more information you provide to the AI, the more it could fine tune the results that you're going to get. So now that I have these lyrics, I'm going to copy them. Then I'm going to go back to Suno and I'm going to ask it to create a custom song. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to paste the lyrics here. I'm going to get rid of the stuff that the AI put in before and after. We'll just leave the title of the song and the lyrics there like that. And then we're going to say, turn this into a bouncy children's song with catchy tunes. Okay. And now we're going to give it an option and we'll just call it Roland and Rover's Big Adventures. That's all we want to do here. We're not going to go into other advanced things and we're going to say create. What Suna will do is it will also take the prompt and create an image to go with it. And as you can see right here, our two variations are done. I think this took about 10 seconds. So let's listen to Roland and Rover's Big Adventures now. I'll be honest, I don't like the voice on that one. Let's try the other one.
Roland wakes up with the sun on his face, backpack ready, he can't wait. 10 years old, but the mind so bright, he's got a spark that shines like light. Mom and dad laugh when he tells his plans with his friends, he's the leader, takes a stand. But his best pal's waiting by the door, tail wagging, can't ask for more. Roland and Rover running wild and free, chasing down the daylight through the tall oak trees. Every stick's a treasure, every path's a game. Roland and Rover, two hearts the same. They find secret trails where the bluebirds sing, building castles out of leaves and string. Rover barks when the rabbits hide, Roland laughs with his arms open wide.
And of course, the song goes on. By now, you should be able to see how powerful this is. I can't tell you how many times I've been with friends sitting over a meal and I'll write a song about them right there and play it for them. Now, people are doing some really creative things with some very specific prompting on Suno, but you can play with this as much as you want and you're not going to break it. Again, once you're logged in, you can see I've created 2 songs. I started with 50 credits and I have 30 credits left. That means it's about 10 credits a song. That means doing what I've done, I could create 5 songs a day at no fee at all. A lot of people choose to publish their songs, and what's fun about Suno is you can go to Explore and you can pick a song and just hear a random song that's been created by AI. You can also see trending songs, songs that a lot of people are listening to that have been published that they might like. So let's go ahead and just pick one of these here and see what it sounds like.
Calling Mr. A, and problems tonight. Calling Mystery, rhyme and rhythm ride. 色落ちたジーンズ履いて朝の気配がすり抜けるくしゃくしゃの髪の
You get the idea. This is a lot of fun, and I hope that you will go and try this right away. Again, the website is suno.com. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If so, please do subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when new episodes are released. And of course, I do appreciate you telling friends about this show. It's how we grow together. I've got a lot more great content coming your way in the future, and I hope that you'll be back for more. Remember, AI is for everyone, including you. Beep boop.